Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to create a hamburger just a burger in Blender. So let's get started. So first I'll just enable my screencast keys. So whatever keyboard shortcut I type, it should be available to you on the bottom left hand side corner over here. So first we'll just delete the cube. Just press X, delete. Then we need to add a circle. So add mesh circle, change the vertices to 16, go to edit mode, F to fill, then extrude it up. So E, extrude it in the Z direction or Z direction, whatever you call it. I'll just zoom it a little bit in. Then I'll go to modifiers, add a subdivision surface. Then we just select the face mode over here. We select the top as well as the bottom face, and we just press I to insert. So here you can see it has already been inserted. Then I'll just press A, S and Z just to scale it down in the Z direction. So yeah, this looks fine to me. Then we need to add a loop cut. So I'll just select this loop cut. I'll add it over here, something like this. Then we just need to go to object mode, right click, shade smooth. Then again add mesh circle, move it up. I'll go back to edit mode, F to fill, I to insert, then select the edge. So I'll just get rid of a loop cut by pressing this. I'll select the edge, then I'll select vertex mode, then I'll click on this select, check or deselect so that it selects the alternate edges. Then I'll select this move tool, I'll move it up like this. Okay, then I'll select the rest of the alternating edges. I'll have to select it one by one. If you know any shortcuts, do let me know. I'll select this one, I'll select this one, I'll select this one, select this one. Okay, then I'll just move it down a bit, something like this. Then A to select all again, E to extrude, then add subdivision surface, go to object mode, right click, shade smooth, move it down, then add a circle, add mesh circle. I'll move it up, I'll go to edit mode, then F to fill, E to extrude up, like this. Then add a subdivision surface, then go to face mode, then select the top as well as the bottom face, I to insert, then loop cut in the middle, and we can just press A to select everything, click on this move tool and bring it down. Then again go to object mode, add mesh plane, move it up, right click, sorry, we have to go to edit mode, right click, subdivide, right click, subdivide, right click, subdivide. Then we need to go to vertex mode. We need to select the four corners of it, so this one, this one, this one and this one. Then we need to enable the proportional editing, and we just need to move GZ to move it down like this. I'll just move it like this. Okay, then I'll place, okay, sorry, command C. Then again we need to A to select everything, E to extrude. So I'll just do it like this. then add a subdivision again. Then go to object mode, shade smooth, move it down, then again add mesh circle, move it up, edit mode, F to fill, then just disable this proportional editing, then scale it down, and then E to extrude up, then I to inset, okay, then E to extrude down, I to insert again, then E to extrude up again, then again add a subdivision surface, then if you want you can insert it again, just I, something like this. Then again go to object mode, shade smooth, okay, then I'll just place it, so I'll just move it over here, okay, so over here, move it over here, at the very corner I'll place it, I'll scale it down a bit, something like this looks okay. I'll just move it somewhere over here, then I'll just do shift D to duplicate, I'll move it over here and I'll move it over here as well. Okay, then again add mesh circle, move it up, go to edit mode, F to fill, scale it down, I to insert, X, F to delete the faces, then E to extrude, just press A, E to extrude it up, G, Z to move it to the side, so I'll just press, sorry, not like this, just press A, then you can just move it by this as well, okay, just press and I'll just scale it down again, press, then again shift D to duplicate, and then I'll just move it to this side, just move it a little bit down, this one as well, press L to select this one, okay, move it down. Then we need to add a UV sphere, go to object mode, add mesh UV sphere, again I'll just move it up, then click minus Y axis, go to X-ray, go to edit mode, select the bottom part, then not, it has not been selected properly, I'll just select it once again, X, F to delete the faces, then select the bottom vertex and extrude it down, E to extrude it down like this, EZ, okay, little bit, F to fill, so it has filled it, then if you want you can insert it as well, I to insert, then go to solid mode, so I'll just go back to solid mode again, so we just need to scale it down, so I'll press A, S, Z to scale it down on the Z direction, okay, then I can just move it down again somewhere around here, yeah, looks okay to me. Then just add a subdivision surface, then go back to object mode, shade smooth, okay, then what we can do is we'll first select our cheese, Let's give it some. I'll go back to this viewport shading just to see what color I'm selecting. I'll just give it some yellow color. Okay, then I'll just select this onion, and onion will have, again I'll just click on new. I'll say here I'll just type out the color, so maybe D7 3 D6. Then I'll just select this tomato as well. I'll click on new, and I'll just give it some red color. Okay, I'll just select this other tomato, and I can just use this red color which we have. And okay, for this was already applied. Okay, now we again come back to this particular part, which is this salad. Click on plus, and I can just give it some green color. Also, one more thing, I can just move this top bun at the top. I'll just duplicate this salad. I'll take this salad over here, shift D to duplicate, and I'll move it over here. Then I'll take this bun, move it at the top. Okay, I think I can move it even further, something like this. Okay, then we need to go to this particular, I think I can scale it down even further. Okay, and I can just move it little bit up. All right, so first let's first see this particular I'm not sure what this is called. It's called tiki in our language. I don't know what's it called in English. So first again click on this new, then go to the shading workspace, and here you have to click on add. Here first you need to place texture coordinate, so I'll just place it over here. Then add mapping, then add a noise texture, and then add a color ramp as well. Add color ramp. Okay, I'll just place it like this, like this, like this, and like this. Move it over here. So I'll just join this generated to vector, this vector to this vector, and this FAC to this sorry, this FAC to this FAC, and this color to this color, and here we'll give it some color. So for the color, I mean, we can keep it simple. So for the first one, just select the first one. I'll select this color, and here I'll just give it as C4503E. And for the next one, again I'll just select this one, and this can be as 6A1800. Okay, then we'll select the bottom one, click on new. Okay, and here again we'll just add a here we need to add few things again, like texture coordinate first. We'll just add it over here, then I'll add one mapping as well, and then I'll add separate XYZ, and then let's add a color ramp over here as well. I'll just move it over here. This is my color ramp. So again I'll just join this to this to this, and the Z FAC. I'll just add one more color over here, and for the colors, for the first one which we have, we can just give it as 834629. For the second one, I'll just give it as, just select this C36707, and I'll just select the third one as well, FFE8 AC. Okay, so this is done. Okay, I'll just join this color to our base color. So this is how it looks, but unfortunately both for the tiki as well as for our bun, if we try to export it directly, it will not work. We have to use some, need to bake this particular procedural texture into an image. but before that we'll just select the top one as well. I'll click on new, and here I'll just click on add. Again, texture coordinate, just add it over here. Okay, next one is again the same thing, mapping. If you some of you might be thinking why we are not just using the original one, but what I have noticed is that if I use the same bottom one texture to this one as well, it does create problem for me when I try to bake it into an image. That's why I'm creating a separate one. Maybe there is some better way which I'm not really aware about. So yeah, that's why I'm doing it like this. So I'm just joining them. I'll click on this plus add. I'll click over here first. Then first one is again 834629. Next one, select here, select this one, and C36707, and last one is select here, it is FFE8AC. Okay, I'll just click on enter. So yeah, something like this. Now what I'll do, first I'll just select this particular inside ticky. We need to do procedural texture, right? So first I can just directly select this one, press U, sorry, go click on UV editing, don't press U, click on UV editing, then press A to select everything because we are in edit mode, so it will only select that particular ticky. I'll click on U, smart UV project, click on unwrap. Okay, then we need to go to shading workspace. Here we'll need to select image editor. Okay, it is already selected. I can just move it like this. I'll click on new. You can give it some name as well. I'll just name it as sticky. I'll click on a new image. I'll just zoom out a little bit. Okay, then here we need to add an image texture. So I'll just search for image texture. I'll place it over here. Then I'll just select this one. I'll select the ticky image, then go to render properties, select cycles, and here you just need to find bake. Bake type is diffuse, and here I'll just uncheck this direct indirect, and I'll just click on bake. Now this bake might take a bit of time, so just be patient. And once this is done, we can directly connect. So this is done, so I can directly connect the color to the base color of principal BHDF. So here you can see this has got disconnected, which is fine. Now same we need to do for this as well. So come over here, go to UV editing. Okay, press A to select everything, press U, smart UV project, click on unwrap, go to shading. Here I'll just remove this because I want to create a new image. I'll just click on new, just name it as bottom, click on new image. Okay, and here I'll just add image texture. I'll place it over here, and here I'll just add it as a bottom, and here I'll just connect the color to the base color. Okay, I think here again I'll need to click on bake. Let's just see if bake works. Okay, I think I forgot something. Okay, let me just remove this. I think I forgot something. I'll just add the color to the base color. Okay, so I have the image. I just need to add an image texture, and I think we need to bake it first, and then we need to connect. So I'll just select this bottom. Okay, why is, let me try to click on bake. Let's see. Okay, now we are getting it. So I can now join the color to the base color. So here you can see this is working. Now I'll select the top as well. I'll go to UV editing. I'll press A to select everything, press U, smart UV project, click unwrap. Then you need to go to again shading. Here I'll just remove this. I'll click on new. I'll just name it as top. I'll click on new image. Here again I'll add an image texture, add it over here. Okay, and here I'll just select top, and here I'll just before I connect, sorry, again you have to go to render, bake, diffuse, uncheck this direct indirect, click on bake. So let's just wait for this. And I can directly join this color to the base color. So here you can see this is maintained as well. Now I can just export it using file, export, file, export, gltf. I'll go to desktop, I'll go to data, mesh, click on this apply modifiers, and then click on export gltf.0. Then we can just drag and drop this particular image to gltf viewer, and here you can see we have our hamburger ready. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.